my loving. Give me something, just sex me burning hot. Cause baby tonight, two hearts will be as one. Oh, and baby tonight, we'll be dancing till the sun comes.
This chick must be bugging, running around not knowing, I know that she's up to something, I can't believe it. Finally it came all out, I was watching for a minute, parked in front of a house, and then I seen my queen lean in front of his face, gave him a kiss. I was pissed, but I kept my cool. Wait, mistakes happen to those, but not me. I froze and took my time and drove away and laughed. Alas, I know I got the upper hand, she's caught, and who would have thought something like this would happen? I missed the passion of her and I shared before, that was before, found out she was a whore, and even before, knew that she was a demon. She always loved sex, obsessed with semen. Yo, this type of lady shady, so baby trying to play, I know what you did last night, baby.
Body pumping, more I